Ahoy, fellow adventurers! Are you ready to escape to a world of sun, sea, and endless fun in the Caribbean? I'm Jennifer Olson, your guide to a tropical paradise, and today we are diving headfirst into the ultimate Caribbean cruise experience. Picture this: turquoise waters, sandy beaches, and unforgettable memories waiting to be made. But to make the most of your Caribbean adventure, we've gathered some exhilarating tips to turn your vacation into an absolute blast. So let's dive in. In the Caribbean, swimsuits and flip-flops are your unofficial uniform. From the moment that you step aboard, you're going to be surrounded by inviting pools, beautiful beaches. Pack an array of colorful swimwear, and don't forget those trusty flip-flops for the beach walks and the deck lounging. Get ready to unleash your inner party animal. Caribbean cruises are famous for epic themed nights and costume parties. From tropical luau's to pirate adventures, these festivities add an extra dose of excitement. So pack some fun costumes, grab your accessories, and let loose into the vibrant Caribbean nightlife. What are the highlights of a Caribbean cruise? The mouth-watering cuisine. Each island offers its own delectable delights, from jerk chicken in Jamaica to fresh seafood in the Bahamas. Venture beyond the buffet and explore local eateries for an authentic culinary experience. Your taste buds are in for a treat. The Caribbean is a treasure trove of natural wonders and vibrant cultures. Dive into the adventure. Explore hidden gems at each port of call, from coral reefs to lush rainforests. Take a dip into secluded lagoons and encounter playful dolphins, or hike to breathtaking viewpoints for awe-inspiring views. Unforgettable experiences are waiting for you. Get your dancing shoes ready, because the Caribbean is all about rhythm and dancing. Whether it's salsa, reggae, calypso, let the infectious beat move your feet. Attend lively encore dance parties, take dance lessons, or explore local clubs to experience the vibrant Caribbean nightlife. Let the music carry you into the night. The Caribbean is a photographer's dream, with postcard-worthy views at every turn. Don't forget your camera or smartphone to capture these breathtaking sunsets, colorful fish, and panoramic views. These snapshots are bound to be cherished mementos of your incredible journey. So, fellow cruisers, if you're ready to embark on a Caribbean adventure filled with laughter, exploration, and endless fun, click the link below to request your complete Caribbean cruise packing list. It's your key to an unforgettable tropical paradise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel tips. Hit the notification bell and join us for our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, and as always, love your adventure. Take care.